Trump just said that tariffs could replace income tax. I'll attach a video that I posted a couple weeks ago where I talked about Trump is working to abolish the IRS. I shared with you the facts, figures, numbers, logic on the fact that they're creating a Bitcoin strategic reserve that could shrink the balance sheet in America in half by 2045 based on the price appreciation of Bitcoin. I shared with you how they created a sovereign wealth fund. He spends a lot of time in the Middle East, places like Dubai, where they have a sovereign wealth fund where they don't take from their people, they have their own investments, and they give the money back to their people because what does that do? It creates growth. I've been telling people, as we head into first quarter 2026, you're going to see the reverberation effects of all the tariffs bringing jobs back into America. He's going to continue to lower taxes, and I wouldn't be shocked if he abolishes the IRS and taxes altogether. The important thing is for you to understand where they are positioning their money in the biggest transfer in wealth in history. The US dollar is going to lose buying power as they lower interest rates and print money. The elites are strategically positioned in deflationary assets with fixed supply, which is going to be part of the new monetary system for the next 100 years. Things like Bitcoin. I am personally using XRP that has a fixed supply and burns every single time a transaction goes across it. It can't be printed. Bitcoin can't be printed. Maybe you prefer gold, silver. But remember, if you can't beat inflation, you will be poor every single year. But what are your thoughts? Do you think he's going to abolish the IRS? If he does, make sure you're positioned properly in appreciating assets where you can build an ecosystem of cash flow, cash is trash, deflationary assets that appreciate, not like we've been indoctrinated to do, to borrow against our future selves, to rob from our future self because the whole system is debt, but leverage on the asset side to build cash flow. Take the cash flow back into assets. One man's assets are another man's liabilities, and one man's debt and liabilities is another man's asset. That's how the system works. This is getting serious. Warriors, rise! Get your shit together. Love you guys.